Hello guys, my name is Abhishek Kumar. Today I am going to talk about health insurance. So, in India, around 57% of people covering from health insurance. Maximum of the people covering from health insurance because of this, if any types of health issue and going to hospital, then covered by health insurance company all the money. But if any other person who have not any health insurance, then all over money paid by those person. And they if he can't pay all the money, then he can't use the benefit of treatment. In India, around 12 lakh crore rupees 12 lakh crore rupees in previous year spent in healthcare system. Healthcare expenses are increasing every year around 40%. That means after every 5 years they become double. If today's cost of 10,000 of any types of surgery, then after 5 years it become 20,000, and every 5,000 just become a double. So in India, health inflation is very high than any other company, any other facility. I also feel this because I have a store, so I know every medicine prices increasingly very high rates. In some day, in some month, I feel this price is 144 and today it's 168. So inflation is very high in today's world in India, for especially in healthcare system. So health insurance is important because of if any time because of less amount of money cover some amount of premium money cover your full family health. This gives you a lots of benefit. It's in if your full family package around 25 lakhs rupees, that means your yearly premium will only 20,000 rupees. That means you spend in every year 20,000 rupees. That means after 10 years you spend around 2 lakh rupees in premium in every in those 10 years. If any types of problem in your health in your all over the family, then it's covered by health insurance. So you can think it's only 2 lakh rupees in 10 years and your family are secure in health support. So it is a good deal to carry a health insurance in today's world, because in some day I go to hospital and it only 40 hours spent in ICU and pay around 10,000 rupees. You think this is a in 10,000 rupees this is cover your all family package. So it is a good deal. I feel you also know about them in health insurance. But buying to health insurance in mind carries some point to buying health insurance. That means focus on copay. copay, that means how much percentage of money you pay and health insurance pay. This should be 100% by health insurance should be covered. If say if health insurance say 20% money of copay, that means if 10 lakh rupees cost of hospital, then 2 lakh rupees you paid because in health insurance say. So this types of problem also create. So buying, the time of buying, focus on these types of copay and other many facility, pre-existing disease, pre-hospitalization, post-hospitalization, and OPD, EPD, IPD. In those types of facility, understand all of them to carry in a good way. If your age is 30,000 less, but sorry, 30 years less, that means your insurance plans cost is less. If your family package, some of the family members age is more than 50 years and 65 years, then because of this person, your overall family plan affect a more amount of premium. So focus on this. If you want to have pre-existing disease, then mention in. If you have a pre-existing disease, then you mention in health insurance. After knowing this disease, they want to pay to more money, but it is good. If you don't mention it, then after hospitalization you don't claim this money, any types of money, because the root of the disease is those disease who is a pre-existing disease. Because of this, company does not give you single rupees. So policy seller are also doing these types of mistake. They just want to sell the policy, don't want to good in reality. Most of the them, I can't talk about 100% review. Some of the agents are good, but maximum of the think about themselves. So healthcare system. So first of all, I understand overall market of healthcare system in the today world 12 lakh rupees, and education system is around 10 lakh rupees of big hospital, sorry, big schools, study study material, their fees, their activity around 10 lakh crore rupees. In today's world, 32,000 crore rupees goes to in fresh water to drink. You think only water cost in India take 32,000 crore rupees, and in today's world you shock after listen about them. Previous year 5,000 crore rupees goes to for fresh air. For fresh air people pay 5,000 crore rupees. This is a shocking statement, and I am seeing this report. I also shock about them. If some people pay for good air is a lots of money. You know, in town, some people in their house took put air conditioner to pay good air conditioner, good air quality, because in town air quality is very bad according to time. In today's world, villages also are affected because of them. So healthcare system. Today I am talk about healthcare system. Through healthcare system, If you are not insurance by health, you have not any types of health insurance, then your family and you are their future are in big takes. Please take health insurance because health insurance gives you a freedom. If any family member get hospitalization and cost around 20 lakh rupees, 10 lakh rupees, then your overall family member are collapse because of money and debt and goes to a poverty, decline through time to time, and loans take on every month. It gives you a lots of problem. But 10 to 20,000 in every year after paying as a premium in health insurance, it gives you a lots of facility. And after, first of all, the time of buying health insurance, you see the how the types of room facility available in your health insurance. If any types of health, if your health, sorry, if your room cost is 5,000 less than, then you can't buy, because in 12% inflation in healthcare system, that means after 5 years your any types of surgery and in today's world, and their cost is around 10 rupees, after 5 years they become 20 rupees. So please understand this. So which types of health insurance you buy, which provide you no room cost facility, any type of room tax, that you're independent. Okay. And in market, maximum of the, you see also claim settlement ratio, rate settlement ratio, money set amount settlement ratio. That means how many claim company get and how them solve. That amount is also, if company have 100 rupees amount claim and company pay only 70 rupees, that means claims amount settlement ratio company and this customer is around 20%. 30% money paying by customer. So please, all of the category and other many category who see first of all and understand all of them. This I highlighted first of the 5-6 point in knowing and focus on them: pre-existing disease, pre-hospitalization, post-hospitalization, or and all of them mention them, and not any types of rise in room facilities. And you select your zone 1, zone 2, zone 3, and period of pre-existing disease, claim settlement ratio, what is claim settlement ratio, what is amount settlement ratio, what is their overall experience and review of this company, and their customer happy or not after buying this service. Okay. After overall seeing them, you think about buying the health insurance, and you also buying other insurance like life insurance, motor insurance, if all types of, that's your choice, but must have you have a health insurance. It is most important in today's world. Okay. So thank you very much for you, and that's signing out today. But I want to talk more about that, but let's talk about that, man. I know my English is very bad, but it improving time to time. I know it. I am improving. My target is after days or days. What types of my English communication skills I have. I want to achieve a good level in today's day. I know I am into in this time. My speaking English skills is very low, but it's improving. I know myself because in every day I 10 to 20 word learn new, like despite payment yani sorry, that means famous, and in maximum other words I did listen in momentary, temporary, and to get rid of, do away with, put off, pull off, call off, and many other thing in the activity. So I know a strong word: steady, efficient, fortified, uh, bastard, bellicose, that means far, like attitude, belligerent, and most of them I know all of them to important, momentous. I in my in this time I mainly focus on learn a new word and every sector through knowledge of every step. In my target is my English become a good to talk to any person in any, if I go to any company to go to work, so they required any types of English knowledge, sorry matlab English speaking skills, then I can talk about them. I get English interview matlab sorry, that means English interview. I don't prefer Hindi. I want to build those types of English speaking skills so I can easily tell to the company I can any types of language in Hindi or English. I am both comfortable in the on, because I am living in village through I am, this is for difficult to me because I have not any friend to talking English, but some of the talk them, but I can't talk to him. Some of the talking me, but I be, I am becoming some of the friend to talk to them in English and use some of the app who provide those facility to talk in English to any other person. So अब से कुशवाहा साइनिंग आउट टुडे के लिए, सॉरी फॉर टुडे, दैट्स इट। अब से कुशवाहा साइनिंग आउट।